woman knows very well how to talk. In the world record, the woman has a great talkative power. But the situation is that man talks more. Woman talks more. Woman talks in the family. Man talks in the society. That's the difference. Woman listens when she comes out of the home. Man listens when he goes to the home. This is the relationship between the talking. I simply say to you, please, you should be alert while you are talking. You need to increase the respect. You need to increase the acceptance of that person. You need to increase the meaning and beauty and the value of that person. While you are talking, that person should be feel happy, relaxed, contented, and very, very peaceful, very, very balanced. If anything goes wrong, if you hurt that person, immediately you will be hurted. That is the problem. Whatever you give, the same thing will happen in your life. Whatever you take, the same thing will give to others. This is the ultimate principle of the existence. So I simply say here, while you are talking, give so much pause. Give the space between one word to another word. Give the silence. The more silence, less words gives more worthy, more value, more meaning to their language. If you go on talking very speedily, nothing will reach to the ear. What about the intellect? Forget it. That's why I say, when heart talks, it gives only the quotations. When soul talks, it gives only the principles or formulas. When mind talks, it gives a theory, so much theory, great philosophy. It gives a philosophy. Whatever mind talks, it's a philosophy, not more than that. When body talks, it talks very essential about this moment. It never bothers about the future or the past. It simply indicates this moment, what you are, how you are, and what the situation, and how to talk. Whether the situation is to talk for that or not. So this is the moment. Just I am telling 3 words to you. Talk meaningfully. Talk very balancedly. And talk very, very slowly and silently. Give the silence between your 2 words. Always between the 2 words. If you will not give any silence between 2 words, definitely you will fail communicating with others. That is the point here. So overall, I'm telling the body has only one power, that is the talking and doing. Talking and doing. What is the body? Language plus action is equal to body. This is the morning hour session. In the afternoon, we will go through this process, very depth process of the life, very simple techniques. I will give the practical session. It is not the theoretical session. I give more practice, less theory. Now I have given only theory to you. This is just theory. That's all I am going telling to you. What is the body? Simply should understand that language plus action is equal to body. When you are balanced your language and action, automatically you will be tuned with your body. Then your body will become healthy and peaceful and relaxed. Be centered means what? Just balance with the language and the action. What is the language? Language is the desire. What is the action? Action is the goal. Understood? Do action for the goal, talk for the desire. If it is necessary, then only you should talk. Otherwise, don't talk. That's why desire means what? Meaning. Certain meaning is there in the desire. Now, after the lunch, we'll talk about the desire making. How to make the desire. Second, how to take the step towards it. Then how to plan and how to make it fulfill and how to win it, basically. So because until now just we have taken the information about the body. This is the information about the body. This is the body, this is the body, this is the body. Just I said about that. After the evening, after the lunch, I will talk about how to create the desire and how to create the plan, how to create the thought, and how to create the action, and how to be with the day-to-day life. See, I give the discipline about the body and discipline about the action. Body means what? Language plus action is equal to body. Whenever you are with your body, understand language or action. Woman is the indirect action of the body. The male is the direct language of the body. Understood well?